Namaste ji. I'm Vidash Mishra and today I'll give a presentation on Dharma. Many people recognize Dharma as Hindu Vedic religion. Due to this misconception, there are many alarming and false rumors of Dharma. First of all, I'll begin with a sutra from Vaisheshik Darshan that will give you a heads up on what will I address today. Yato abhidaya nishaya siddhi sadharmaha. So you can divide this sutra into two parts. The first part is Yato abhidaya nishaya siddhi. So the word-to-word meaning of this part is Yataha, from which, abhidaya, worldly pleasure, nishayas, spiritual pleasure, siddhi, is accomplished. So this basically means from which worldly pleasure and spiritual pleasure is achieved or accomplished. Moving forward to the second section, sadharmaha, which actually means that is dharma. So, therefore, the essential definition for this sutra is from which worldly pleasure and spiritual pleasure is achieved, accomplished, that is called dharma. In that, dharma is adhering to the guidelines of Ishwar, behaving impartially with others, and promoting the benefits of others. Everyone should accept one dharma that follows the evidence-based principles of Pratyaksh and the other 7 methods of knowing the truth and is based on the Vedas. Now the second question arises, what are the attributes of dharma? Similarly, I'll begin off by a shlok from Manusmriti that will give you a direct explanation of attributes of dharma. Dhriti samadamosteyam sauchamindriya nigraha thirvidya satyam krodho dashakam dharma lakshanam. So we can divide this slok into two sections. The first section is Dhriti samadamosteyam sauchamindriya nigraha thirvidya satyam krodho. So the word meaning of each word from this section is Dhriti, patience, Shama, forgiveness, Dam, self-control, Asteya, non-stealing, Sauch, cleanliness, Indriya Nigraha, control over organs, Dhi, benevolent intellect, Vidya, spiritual knowledge, Satya, benevolent truthfulness, Akrodh, non-anger. Let's move on to the second section, Dasakam Dharma Lakshanam, which means these are the 10 attributes of dharma. So fundamentally, patience, forgiveness, self-control, non-stealing, cleanliness, control over organs, benevolent intellect, spiritual knowledge, benevolent truthfulness, and non-anger are the 10 attributes of dharma. For example, doing meditation, waiting in line patiently, forgiving someone if they say or do anything wrong accidentally, controlling yourself, not stealing, keeping yourself cool, always keeping yourself and the things around you clean, and always saying the truth and not being angry very often. Thank you.